Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be opening up another Advent calendar. First of all, let's just talk about this box. It's really freaking cute and I'm so excited. I've never purchased anything from Glitterbels before. So I'm excited to check her out and see what's in there. Oh my gosh, stop. Look how freaking cute that is. It's giving P. Louise, Disney princess, queen of the castle. I love this. This is so beautiful. And I love the color pink. Let's take a little first look inside. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Now that is really beautiful. Go in with box number 1. I got the gel one. They had an acrylic one as well, but I don't really use acrylic, so I wanted to try the gel one. Let's take out this. The first one is a gel polish. Looks like it's just a gel polish. It's not a top coat or anything, but this is beautiful. This is a silver glittery finish, it looks like, in some clear. Number 2. This is so like delicately put together. I just love the way that looks. We got another gel polish. This one is called Apple Crumble. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is like a pink red. This color is gorgeous. I'm very excited to swatch these at the end, but check out how cute these bottles are. First of all, who doesn't love pink? And these little hearts, like everything on it, this is just such a beautiful bottle. All right, let's go in with day 3. This is another glitter polish. This is called Snow Cone. That is even more sparkly than the other one. The other one was more like glitter flakes. This is more of just more of a fine glitter. This is really pretty. Okay, let's go in with day 4. This is another gel polish, and this is called Vintage Lace. This is a very chunky glitter, but it's all white. That's really pretty. It definitely looks lacy. Day 5. This is another gel polish, and this is called Igloo. Another sparkly glitter polish. This has a blue like tint to it. So these all seem to be like toppers for sure. Now when I got the gel one, I'm not gonna lie, I thought there would be some like rubber bases or like builder gels, something like that. So far we haven't seen that, but I'm hoping that we do get a couple of those. Check out day 6. This is called Ice Skating. Beautiful polish. Ooh, look at that. That is a light blue sparkle glitter. Oh, that is beautiful. Let's go in with day 7. This is called Magic Mist. This is another glitter sparkle with some chunky white glitter in it as well. I didn't know, they didn't really give you any ideas of what was going to be in here. Like a couple of these are cool, but now this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, our 5th one. I think I would have preferred some solid colors as well, and we only have one of those. We're not done yet though, so let's keep chugging along, see if anything more comes along. We're gonna go on with day 9. This one is called Magic Mirror. That is a sparkly glitter blue, like teal color. This one's really pretty. That's gorgeous. 10. This is called Bubbles. It's like a purple pink glitter. Never seen this kind of polish color before. I don't have anything like these, which is kind of cool, but at the same time, I'm kind of over the glitter already. Going in with number 11. This is called Forget Me Not. Ooh, this is an iridescent. No, this is like a white with like the faintest tint of blue in it. This would look really gorgeous underneath some of those glitters for sure. Oh my gosh, completely forgot about 8. Here I am chugging along, not knowing how to count. Whoops. This one is called Cold Brew. My favorite. Ooh, look at that. Glittery red sparkles. Who doesn't love that? That's really pretty. Day 12, last one. This is called Cool Waves. Oh wow, look at that. I do not have a single color like this. Wow, this is pretty. It's like a seafoam green, very light color, but it's really pretty. This is a freaking mess down here. So one thing I hate about this type of stuff, it's such a pain in the ass to clean up, and the fact I'm throwing it around isn't helping. So that, you guys, is everything in this advent calendar. I have to say I'm a little conflicted with this one. I was really hoping for some of their builder gels. If you follow Glitterbels by Annabelle on like Instagram, you see she really like tries to show off those, I think they call them Builderbels. They call them Builderbels, and they look so beautiful. So when I thought I was getting the gel calendar, because it was either between gel and acrylic, that it was going to be like obviously all gels, but I didn't realize it was all gel polish. I don't think it said that specifically, but each of these polishes are about $11. The calendar itself was $119. So with tax, you know, and shipping, because at the time they were only shipping out of the UK, and I know recently they have just come over to the US, so I'm sure there's now US shipping prices. So $20 for shipping, you know, I didn't save anything. It's $132 if you take 11 times 12. 132 bucks. You know, I probably spent the same amount of money. Would I buy it again next year? Probably not. I'd probably skip it. I think the colors are pretty, but am I gonna reach for these glitters all the time? Definitely not. I think they all swatch beautifully, but that's just my opinion. I want you to let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of the set. I have 2 more advent calendars that I really want to get out before the end of December. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.